Hi viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, consider subscribing. Give this video a thumbs up to show that you like this kind of content. Then head to the comment section and add a comment that I subscribe. Have you ever wondered what makes people successful? Is it luck, talent, or something more practical? Today, we're breaking down the top skills that can take you from ordinary to extraordinary. Stick around because these tips might just change your life. The skill number 1 is financial mastery. Let's start with financial skills. No matter how much money you make, if you don't know how to manage it, wealth will slip through your fingers. Budgeting and saving are crucial. Think of your finances like a business. You need to know where every dollar is going. Avoid unnecessary debt and focus on growing your net worth. Investing is another game changer. Whether it's stocks, real estate, or mutual funds, the earlier you start, the more your money works for you. And don't forget financial literacy. Understanding taxes, credit, and retirement planning can save you thousands in the long run. The skill number 2, communication is key. Next up, communication skills. This is the magic sauce behind almost every success story. Think about it. Great negotiators can get better deals, whether they're buying a car or closing a business deal. Public speaking, that's how leaders inspire. And networking, that's where real opportunities happen. Remember, it's not just what you know, it's who you know. Now, let's look at skill 3, which is problem-solving power. Have you ever noticed how successful people handle challenges? It's all about problem-solving skills. Critical thinking helps you analyze situations and make smart decisions. Being adaptable means you can handle surprises without missing a beat. And let's not forget strategic planning. Thinking ahead is what turns goals into reality. We are going to skill number 4, and that is leadership and management. Every successful person learns to lead. Even if they're not in charge of a team, leadership is about inspiring others and bringing out the best in people. Time management is your secret weapon to getting more done in less time. And here's a pro tip: delegate. You can't do it all yourself, and you shouldn't try. The skill number 5 is emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence, or EQ, is often more important than IQ when it comes to success. Self-awareness helps you understand your own strengths and weaknesses. Empathy allows you to connect with others and build meaningful relationships. And mastering conflict resolution, that's the key to thriving in both personal and professional life. Now, let's look at skill number 6, sales and marketing. Want to stand out? Learn how to sell not just products, but yourself. Salesmanship teaches you persuasion. Digital marketing helps you dominate online spaces. And brand building makes you memorable. Whether you're an entrepreneur or climbing the corporate ladder, these skills will set you apart. We are going to skill 7, lifelong learning. Finally, never stop learning. The world changes fast, and you've got to keep up. Whether it's reading, taking courses, or learning from mentors, always look for ways to grow. Resilience and curiosity are your best allies. Success isn't about knowing everything. It's about always being willing to learn new ideas. The skill set number 8, technical and analytical skills. In today's world, mastering technical and analytical skills can skyrocket your success. First, let's talk about data analysis. Data is the new gold. Whether you're running a business or climbing the career ladder, making decisions backed by data gives you a competitive edge. It's about understanding trends, identifying patterns, and using that information to drive results. Then there's coding and tech savviness. You don't need to become a full-blown programmer, but understanding software and tech trends is like having a superpower in this digital age. From building apps to optimizing workflows, tech skills open endless opportunities. Finally, automation is a game changer. Tools like chatbots, automated emails, and streamlined workflows save time and let you focus on what matters most: growing your wealth and business. The skill set 9, entrepreneurial skills. Let's talk about what separates dreamers from doers. entrepreneurial skills. It all starts with vision, seeing opportunities where others see problems. Entrepreneurs think differently. They ask, what's missing and how can I provide it? This mindset can lead to game-changing ideas. But vision alone isn't enough. You need risk management skills to weigh your options and prepare for uncertainties. The key? Calculated risks, not reckless gambles. Successful people understand the difference. And let's not forget innovation. Creating unique products or services gives you a competitive edge. It's about standing out, not blending in. Skill set number 3, health and wellness skills. Success isn't just about working harder. It's about working smarter and staying healthy while you do it. Stress management is critical. When you're under pressure, your ability to make good decisions can take a hit. Techniques like meditation, journaling, or even short breaks during the day can keep you focused and mentally sharp. Next, there's work-life balance. Hustling is important, but burnout will cost you. Prioritize what matters: your relationships, hobbies, and rest, so you can recharge and perform at your best. And don't forget physical fitness. Your body fuels your success. Staying active keeps your energy levels high and your mind clear, so you're ready to tackle challenges head-on. Okay, now, there you have it. From mastering tech to building an entrepreneurial mindset to taking care of your health. These skills can transform your life and help you achieve wealth and success. Which one will you focus on first? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more success tips. Until next time, keep building your dream life.